Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up recurring payments from Apple Cash. Firstly, open the Wallet app. Then select Apple Cash, then head to Send or Request, then click on Send. Now, type the recipient's name, email or phone number, wherever you want. Now, you need to configure the recurring payment. Tap Send Recurring Payment at the bottom of the page. Choose a start date and select a payment interval like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, which means how frequently you want to send money to that person automatically. Now you have to add a memo and confirm. Add the memo if needed, of course, then tap on Send to finalize the setup. And that's how to set up recurring payments from Apple Cash. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.